Okay, this is Matthumanpizza, and if you're trying to figure out where the steering wheel is on a BMW, well, you're in luck because here we are. I'm sitting in the passenger side seat, and the steering wheel is right there. It's above the driver's seat, and it's a little in front of the driver's seat, and above it about a foot. So there it is. It's round. And how you get to it is you come through the driver door, you open it up, you sit in your seat, and then you put your hands on the steering wheel, and that's what that is a steering wheel. And it'll help maneuver the car left, right, and we don't do up and down yet. We can't fly, but it'll go left and right. And there's options on it. There's all kind of options on it where you can do Bluetooth and you can talk on the phone. You can adjust the volume for your stereo, your car stereo or whatever. And but mainly, it steers your vehicle. And that, my friends. Oh, there's also a safety feature inside. There's an airbag inside of it. So you get in a car crash, you hit something really fast or something hits you, it'll set some sensors off in the front of the car, and it'll inflate really quickly. And then as it's deflating at the split millisecond, that's when you'll hit the airbag, and it'll save your life. It'll save you from flying forward. But the steering wheel is the main thing in a gasoline vehicle. And it may seem simple, but in the future, whenever we have electric cars and automated cars, we might not have a steering wheel. So this might be like a relic. So right now this is some hot stuff right here. This is a steering wheel. So that's where it's at. And that's all I have to say about that. This is Matthumanpizza, and this is the BMW. And just enjoying myself here. Got a little BMW, and yeah, so just hanging out until you meet some people and they let you do some videos, and you do the videos because you want to talk about the really cool and sweet car, and it's just an all-around good time. So, all right. That's all I have for you. Let's get to it. Let's do it. Have a great day.